Hello everyone, this is Thomas the Tank Engine. Before this video begins, me and Penny's Studio would like to thank Ashton of 1920 for helping with this production. Now without further delay, enjoy.
Station. It's not fair, he complained. Diesel has been telling lies about me and made the Fat Controller and all the engines think I'm horrid. Edward smiled. I know you aren't, and so does the Fat Controller. You wait and see. In fact, why don't you help me with some of these tracks? Doc felt happier with Edward and set to work at once. The trucks were silly, heavy and noisy. The two engines had to work hard, pushing and pulling all afternoon. At last they reached the top of the hill. "Good boy," whistled Duck, and rolled down the hill. Duck loved doing this, running easily with the wind whistling past. Suddenly, it was a guard's warning whistle. Laughed the trucks.
Be broken away, chase him, bump him, throw him on the rails!
They yelled. "Hurry, Duck, hurry!" shouted the driver. They raced through Edward Station, but the trucks were catching up. "As fast as we can, then we'll catch them gradually." The driver was gaining control. "Another mile and we've done it!" "Oh God, look at that!" Another engine was pulling out on their line. Any moment there was going to be a crash. "It's up to you now, Doug," cried the driver. Doug put every ounce of weight and steam against the trucks. "It's too late!" he groaned and shut his eyes. He veered off into a siding where a barber had set up shop in a small wooden shed and was shaving a customer. Doug raced as he crawled through the wall. The silly trucks had knocked the guard off the van, and he left them far behind after he whistled the warning. But the trucks didn't care. They were feeling very pleased with themselves. "Beg pardon, sir," gasped Duck. "Please do excuse my intrusion." "No, I won't," fumed the barber. "You frighten my customers. I'll teach you." And he lathered Duck's face all over. Poor Duck. Thomas had been sent to clear away the trucks when the Fat Controller arrived. "I do not like engines popping through my walls," fumed the barber. "They disturb my customers." "I appreciate your feelings," said the Fat Controller, "and will be more than happy to repair the damage. But you must know that this engine and its crew helped prevent a serious accident. You could say it was a very close shave." "Oh," said the barber. "Oh, excuse me." He ran into the shop, filled a basin of water and washed Duck's face. "I'm sorry. I didn't know you were being a brave engine." "That's all right, sir. I didn't know that either." "You are very brave indeed. I'm proud of you." The Fat Controller watched the rescue operation. Then he had more news for Duck. "And when you're properly washed and mended, you are coming home." "Home, sir? Do you mean the yard?" "Of course. But sir, they don't like me. They like Diesel." "Not now. I never believed Diesel. He made up lies about Henry shortly after you went, so I sent him packing." The engines are sorry and want you back. When he came home, there was a big rousing welcome for Duck, the Great Western Engine.